Imagine this: you're at a conference, ready to make connections that could change your business. But then, you pull out a paper business card. Most chances are, it gets lost, or worse, forgotten. That's where digital business cards come in. Consultants thrive on relationships. With digital cards, you instantly share contact info via QR code or link, keeping leads organized. Say goodbye to the frustration of misplaced cards. Blinq leads the way in digital business cards for consultants, ensuring you capture connections seamlessly. Blinq's key benefits are clear. 1. Automated onboarding saves valuable time, getting new team members set up in minutes. 2. CRM integration syncs contacts automatically, eliminating tedious manual data entry. 3. Enterprise security protects sensitive client information, crucial for consulting professionals. Blinq uniquely offers complete branding control, maintaining consistency across your team. Unlike competitors, its robust features ensure your firm's reputation is protected and strengthened. Ready to elevate your networking game? Create your free digital business card with Blinq today and see the difference in your client connections. Don't wait, start now.